Today I'm in one of the top malls in the west side, Jurong East is the JEM. So near checkout, by the way, there's a nice little robot by 30s. There's a nice chill out pub here called the Barney with the live band. Once I enter the entrance, I'm greeted by the Sense6 kind of perfume collection, Fossil, Mr. Coffee Bean over the corner, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Monster Planet and the Fossil, TRT Women Clothes. Lots of restaurants here on Monster Planet. Very colorful, the yellow chairs. 6 restaurants. All these are long queue right now. It's 7:30. There's a nice name of the restaurant, Moon Shop. And just explore the rest now. There's a nice shoe shop here called J West. If you're a shoe lover, you would like to come here. For ladies, or if you're a man who like to buy ladies shoes, you're welcome to. Try the toast box if you are in this shopping center, because there are lots of delicious food like the Gaya toast and the coffee. There's a SK Jewelry and the Sanchen Bubble Tea, as well as a Money Max pawn shop right here. Lovisa Accessories, Chomel, Stella Professional Ear Piercing House. It looks like a very modern shopping mall. Love & Co. There are different shops compared to the West Mall, which I went just earlier. There are actually quite a number of watch shops. Tissot, Instant Watch. And then the other side is a Spectacle, Zoff, and then G-Shock, Casio, and City Chain. Lululemon, there's a nice name. Taka Jewelry, Michael Cho, Charles & Keith, then the Pedro. Now in basement 1, there's a seafood market. Rumah Sayang, building restaurants, and more next checkout. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. TWSE, Key Specialties, and the EAT. There's a Warabi Mochi Kamakura, the Soap Spoon, Walkie, Canton Paradise, Nino Chef White, Luna Bar, Standard Chartered Bank, Venus Cosmetic, and a Photo Express. Songpa Bak Kut Teh is very famous in Singapore since 1969. They have long queue, especially in the town area, like the Clarke Quay area. And then there's another restaurant called Sorey. It's a kind of Korean restaurant. Goang Platinum Chicken Rice from Thailand. Aroy Chan Loi, Yakun Kaya Toast, Eats 3 Bowls, and Liwi and Brothers. There's a Watson Pharmacy right here. The stuffed Turkish and Mexican food. Old Changi, Mr. Bean, very cute Japanese food, and even a money changer. Crave the original Adam Road Nasi Lemak Pasir Rasa. I tried it twice. It's not really the best, but it's still delicious. And then Rejuve kind of drink here for health. Over the right side with the Burger King, as well as the kind of cake shop ending the name Union. Bee Ching Hyang is also very famous in Singapore. There are many outlets. This is a BBQ pork. We have 4 Leaves Bakery, the Black Rub, Tai Chong Bakery, Hot Hua Tonic, and at the very corner is the NTUC FairPrice, which is a convenience store, supermarket. You can have a free sample of the minced pork BBQ at the Ching Yang here. Let's try it. Dari France, Leo P, Auntie Annie, Yakiniku, Go, Ichiban, Oshi. If you guys love vitamins and whey protein, you can come to this shop called LEC Nutrition for Life. There are quite a number of products that's conveniently and budget price. Next will be the Bangka one. So if you like to try the birthday cakes or some other cakes, as well as the pastry, then Uncle Gui, you can come here. There's also the 12 cupcakes. You guessed it right, they are all cupcakes, but it's very cute. In the pet lover center, they do sell the guinea pigs and hamsters. Fine connection, and there's an Osin for the massage chair here. In the Yuan Sang TCM store. If you want to try some ginseng or health tonic, you can come here. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can find it. Thanks very much. Approaching level 2, there's Paris Banquet, Benjamin Parker and Donkey. There's an IKEA home furniture shop at the corner. Now in level 2, there's a Chanel, Dior, Shiseido Cosmetics, Cotton On clothes shop at the very end. Fresh kind of skincare stuff. The Yes Saint Laurent, and that way lead to the subway station, Jurong East. And by the way, there's H&M here. And level 1 is a Starbucks coffee. Unfortunately, I have something that crop out the last minute, so I'll end my video here. Anyway, it's a nice tour and exploration of JEM Mall right here in Jurong East, in the west side of Singapore. I will explore the basement food restaurant area, has the level 1 and 2. So take care everyone. I'd like to see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video so that more people can have the chance to watch the video. Alright, take care everyone, and bye bye.